Create separate text layers for each letter of your text. Select the first letter and add a stroke. I use a size of 10. Position, outside. Make the stroke the same color as the background. Hold Alt and drag the stroke to the other text layers to copy the effect. I hide the effects in my Layers panel so I can see my text layers better. Select the Move tool. Move the letters and make them overlap. Select all the text layers and press Ctrl+T to move and resize the text. Group all the text layers. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the group. Reverse the layer order of this group. The first letter goes on top and the last letter at the bottom. Add a layer mask to this group. Select the Brush tool. Use a hard round brush. And make the foreground color black. Brush over the overlapping areas of the text. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop text effects.